I just stumbled upon a mind-blowing fact: 40% of the jobs we're doing today won't exist in 10 years. Can you wrap your head around that? It's like, what are we going to do then? We're constantly hearing about AI taking jobs, but is it really that simple? I'm not so sure. As I started digging deeper, I realized it's not just about AI jobs, it's about the entire economy. But what does that even mean, right? I mean, we've had automation in the past, like with manufacturing, and we've always managed to adapt. And it's true, we've created new jobs, new industries, and we've moved forward. It's like when you're driving a car, and you're used to using a map, but then GPS comes along and suddenly you don't need the map anymore, you've just got to learn how to use the GPS. So, I started thinking, what are these future careers going to look like? Are we all going to be programmers and data scientists? It's unlikely, because the truth is, AI is going to augment a lot of jobs, not just replace them. For example, doctors won't be replaced by AI, but they'll use AI to help them make diagnoses. It's like having a super smart assistant. As I kept researching, I came across a really interesting analogy. Think of AI like a really powerful tool, like a shovel. A shovel can help you dig a hole way faster than you could with your hands, but it's not going to dig the hole for you, you still need to use it. And that's what's going to happen with AI. We'll use it to make our jobs easier, more efficient, and more productive. It's a pretty exciting thought, isn't it? I mean, we're on the cusp of a revolution, and we get to be a part of it. But, as with any revolution, there are going to be challenges, like, what happens to the people who lose their jobs? And how are we going to make sure that everyone has the skills they need to thrive in this new economy? That's the million-dollar question, and it's one we need to be thinking about, because the future is coming, whether we're ready or not. And that's what got me thinking, what if we're looking at this the wrong way? What if AI isn't the enemy, but the catalyst for change? We've been through plenty of economic shifts before, and we've always come out on top. It's like when you're learning a new language. At first, it's tough, but then you start to get the hang of it, and suddenly you can communicate with a whole new world of people. That's what AI can do for us. It can open up new possibilities, new industries, and new opportunities. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the jobs that are already being automated, like customer service or bookkeeping? And yeah, those jobs are definitely at risk, but that doesn't mean we can't create new ones. Like, have you ever heard of a digital detox consultant? It's a real thing, and it's someone who helps people disconnect from their devices and reconnect with the world. It's a job that requires a totally different set of skills, and it's one that wouldn't have existed 10 years ago. As we navigate this new landscape, we need to be thinking about the kind of future we want to create, one where AI enhances our lives, rather than controlling them. It's a delicate balance, but I think we can get it right. And that's what's so exciting. We're not just talking about AI jobs, we're talking about the future of work itself. But, as I sit here thinking about all this, I have to admit I'm a little concerned. What if we don't get it right? What if we create a world where AI is the boss, and we're just along for the ride? It's a scary thought, and it's one that keeps me up at night. And yet, I'm also optimistic, because I know that we have the power to shape our own destiny. As we look to the future, we need to be asking ourselves some tough questions, like, what does it mean to be human in a world where AI is increasingly prevalent? It's a question that gets to the heart of who we are, and what we value. And it's one that we need to be thinking about, because the future is not just about AI jobs or automation, it's about us. So, I want to leave you with a question. What do you think is the most important thing we can do to prepare for a future where AI is the norm? It's a question that I think we all need to be thinking about, and one that I'd love to hear your thoughts on. As I sign off, I'm reminded that the future is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to shape it. So, if you're as curious as I am about the impact of AI on our lives, then join me on this journey, and let's explore it together. And if you want to stay up to date with all my latest videos, just subscribe to my channel.